Welcome in the Siemens Energy Service Center for Industrial Steam Turbines in Nuremberg. As OEM for more than 3,000 operating units, we make the difference with a comprehensive maintenance and service portfolio, ensuring efficiency, reliability and availability for your system.
A warm welcome from the remote diagnostic center here in Nuremberg. One of the places where the real world and the digital world come together. With a lot of online data from our connected assets from your machines in the field, with expert knowledge of our engineers and a lot of historical data, we are in the position to optimize the operation of the machines today, to help in case of unplanned outages, but also to optimize the operation of the machines in the future.
We have transformed our plant over the last years to become more agile and lead time oriented. Repair orders typically start in the fact-finding area here with state-of-the-art non-destructive testing and measuring technologies. Based on the results and in close collaboration with our customers, the final repair scope is finalized.
With our 3D technology, we are able to provide high-quality data in the early stage of fact-finding. This data can be used for further analysis or for machining processes. Our measuring equipment consists of 2 portable mesh arms and 1 laser tracker. This allows us a full flexibility.
The laser cladding process offers new repair possibilities for steam turbines, as well as for typical materials and other rotating equipment, for instance in compressors. We can build up on spare parts, on rotors, on stator parts with less heat, with shorter time and better quality compared to traditional welding technologies. After welding more than 100 rotors, we have built up significant competence to offer repair solutions where in the past rotors or other parts had to be scrapped.
Digital transformation is a permanent change that is having a significant impact on the world of work in particular. At Siemens Energy, our experience and agility enable us to meet always customer requirements with suitable and innovative solutions. We increase service and continuously meet customer expectations by listening to our customers and taking them seriously as partners. Together with our customers and the help of our experience and digital trends, we can create the best solutions.
The portfolio of our service center here in Nuremberg got recently expanded by the Fast Lane, a new independent production line. The 2 new processing machines allow us a full flexibility and a concentration of work in one place. The goal of the Fast Lane is to provide spare parts for our customers on a short-term notice. These spare parts are needed during an ongoing overhaul or after a recent event of damage.
Steam turbines are the Champions League of mechanical engineering, and we love steam turbines.